Hello students, today we will discuss about the revised syllabus of the biology for the class 11. So in the 11th class, the chapter which are included: living world, biological classification, plant kingdom and the animal kingdom. Okay, apart from that, in the chapter 5, morphology of the inflorescence and the flower, description of only one family is given in the syllabus. Clear? Apart, before that there were three families. Now only one family is there. Is that clear? Modification of the root, stem and leaves, that is excluded. Similarly, chapter 6 is totally excluded. That is not in the syllabus. Chapter 7, structural organization in the animals. Animal tissue is there. Apart from that, the brief account of cockroach was there earlier. Now it is not in the syllabus this year. Then chapter 8, it is almost complete chapter is there in the syllabus. Chapter 9, chemical constituent, biomolecule, proteins, carbohydrate, lipids, almost all the topics are there. In the chapter 10 also, although this chapter is also very small, so cell cycle, mitosis, meiosis, this is in the syllabus. Then after that, chapter 11 and chapter 12, they are excluded this year. Then chapter 13, because this is very important chapter, so this chapter is not excluded, this is in the syllabus. Then chapter 14 also, this chapter is very important. Chapter 15, plant growth and the development, they have excluded growth differentiation part, initial part, and they have included the role of the plant growth regulators because these are very important. Then after 15 chapters, 16th chapter is excluded this year. Okay, then chapter 17 is included, 18 है, 19 भी है. Then chapter 20, skeletal muscle, contractile protein and muscle contraction. सिर्फ इतना दिया है. स्केलेटल सिस्टम जो है वो इन्होंने एक्सक्लूड कर दिया है इस बार. ठीक है, तो वो हम नहीं करेंगे. चैप्टर 21 में न्यूरो कंट्रोल एंड कोऑर्डिनेशन में इन्होंने शुरू का पार्ट दिया है. इसमें सेंस ऑर्गन को इस बार एक्सक्लूड कर दिया है. सेंस ऑर्गन आई ईयर वगैरह दिए हुए थे इसमें, दैट इज़ नॉट इंक्लूडेड. सिमिलरली इन द चैप्टर 22 दे हैव, बिकॉज दिस इज द हार्मोन्स रिलेटेड चैप्टर है ये, तो ये बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट है. तो ये सारा का सारा इन्होंने इसमें इंक्लूड किया है. जो इसके अंदर इन्होंने इंक्लूड नहीं किया है वो है मेरे ख्याल से, नहीं, सारा मैकेनिज्म ऑफ हार्मोन एक्शन, एवरीथिंग इज इंक्लूडेड हियर. इज दैट क्लियर स्टूडेंट? So this year you have approximately 4 to 5 chapter less than the last year, students.